Shelby,
and welcome to our Crackhead channel.
All or nothing, baby.
Hey everybody, so today we are doing an everyday makeup look because you don't want to always put in the effort to do a full glam makeup look. Jenna
never
do. does. And so I decided that I would cut it down a little bit. But this is actually what I normally wear to school if I even wake up on time to do makeup. Let's be completely honest, I do not wear makeup every day. I try to, but I don't.
I never do.
I feel
I did for like the first week because I had to make good impressions on people.
Yes.
But now I'm like,
yes. But, so today, that's what we did. She did her normal look of very little.
It's a nothing. Yeah.
I did mine where it's a little bit more extravagant, but not really, because, again, it's an everyday makeup look.
And also, you get a blonde person and a brunette, so opposite ends of the spectrum how to do it.
Yes.
So
that's why we are the best channel.
yeah.
So yeah, we hope you enjoy, and let's get to it.
My everyday look is nothing, so
Yeah, I really don't wear makeup every day, first of all. Second of all, but I have been doing this makeup look, like, when I wake up and want to wear makeup to class, this is what I wear. But it's still, I don't know. It's not like a simple, like, no makeup. Like, it's still, I obviously, like, look like I'm wearing makeup. Mm-hmm. It's just, like, not near as
extravagant
as my normal makeup. So.
Yeah, no, mine is literally nothing, so. Okay.
I'm starting off with my Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer, like always.
And I'm just going straight in for the eyebrows first. Also, if I have a lot of acne, I'll put on concealer, but I literally have just one pimple right now, so I was like, it ain't even worth it.
Dude, my face has been like hating me.
Mine's been
on my period, but
mine's been pretty clear.
Now I'm going in with my Brightening Creamy Concealer from Maybelline to cover up my acne that I for some reason have.
Okay, two things. I'm using Naked 2 in cover for my eyebrows, and it's really good for blondes. And second of all, you know why you have a Cupid's bow and stuff, and why you can like push right in the middle of your face? No. Because whenever you're growing in the womb, your face, like, it's in two parts and it seams together in the middle.
Wow. That's cool.
So I go in with cover, and then for like my patchy parts, I use Primal. But my undone is gone. I broke it because I never used it, so it's cool.
You just yeeted it out?
No, I dropped it and it broke. Oh. And that was the only one that broke. So I was like, okay.
Well, at least it wasn't one that you depended on.
Exactly.
We're both using the same mirror, and it's like this big, so we're like on top of each other. Sometimes when I'm doing my everyday, doesn't want to be wearing a lot of makeup look, I'll use my BB cream, which is like kind of foundation, but not really. But lately I've still been doing like my full foundation. I just haven't done like a lot of extravagant stuff. Anything else, I've just put on foundation. So I'm going in with my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow foundation. I'm not layering it as much as I normally would. I'm not putting on as much, but it still covers enough to make me feel better about myself.
So then after I fill in my eyebrows, I basically like take half of it off. Mainly, like, underneath right here and right here, I normally get a line right there, and it drives me crazy because it doesn't look natural, so I get rid of the line. And the rest of it normally stays, but that part is one I try to get rid of. Because she bothers me. She bothers me a lot.
Your voice is going to be so loud.
Hello. I really hope that's creepy. Dude, I saw this thing. And it literally was like me sending my friend horror movies and us watching it and me going like super happy and stuff with it, and then them being totally mortified. But it was like me being happy about it because I'm immune to gore and stuff, and I was like, us.
Yeah.
Okay, so then on my eyes, I use the Stark, which is one of the nudes, and I put that all over that eyelid. I don't know where I was going with that.
Okay, so after I put my foundation on, I always go back in under my eye because I have insomnia.
And if I want to brighten my eyes, I'll use the Skimp. I don't know why it's called Skimp. It makes me think it says shrimp every single time.
So yeah, then I just blend that out. It's honestly the most productive video we've had.
Yeah, it really is. And it's because we're both doing our own makeup. And if I want to get wild, I will put the Frisk with a little bit of cover in the crease.
What kind of color is Frisk?
It's like a light brown. You want to see? It's that one. I'll take a little bit. Just put her in there. It makes my eyes look bigger. And I go from top to bottom because I have a little bit of hooded eyes.
Alright, so now my concealer is blended, and I'm just going to put some powder on, and then we'll go into the rest.
I normally don't actually even put powder on, but I figured, why the hell not, so.
Oh my gosh, okay, so I don't know what happened. Oh my gosh, when does that do?
I tried to super glue it, and she don't stay.
So the last video that we did was a day in the life video, and I got a notification that this girl commented on the video, and I was like, oh my gosh, what the heck?
Commented?
And I went, and I, like, from the notification panel, I could read what it said, and it was super sweet, and, like, I saw the person's name who posted it, and I was like, that's so kind, what the heck? Went to go reply to it. It is nowhere to be found on the video. The only comment on the video is, like, our pinned comment. And it's, like, not, like, you can't see it. So I don't know if she deleted it. I don't know what happened, but the comment's not there.
The only places I normally put powder is, like, right underneath my eyes, over the bridge of my nose, and then in my T-zone.
Okay, so now that I've done my powder, I go in with bronzer. I don't usually contour when I'm doing this because contour is more harsh and I just don't feel like it. So this just makes me look like I'm not washed out. So
it will get everywhere.
So this is a bronzer by Cargo Cosmetics. I don't know the color. It doesn't say.
Bro! Oh, man, I thought we had the same one. I was like, wow, I'm fancy! I'm not. It's Bellaterra, and she has Bella Pierre. I don't know.
But
Anyways.
it's this kind of color. It's more like orange tone. I don't know. It's really pretty. It also kind of has some sparkle in it, which used to scare me, but it still doesn't, it doesn't show the sparkle, so. But it just adds a little bit more definition.
My blush makes me look sun-kissed, if you can't tell. And I love it because I like looking sun-kissed. So I do that. I put on some blush.
I'm sitting on your jacket. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It wasn't bothering me.
Now that I've done my bronzer, I'm going to go into my Pixie Fresh Face Blush in Beach Rose. I'm going to get that just a little bit because I have red cheeks already, but they're just in like one spot. And so I more use the blush to balance it out across the rest of my face so it's not like just red right here.
That makes sense. So I'm already on mascara. And this is my last step.
Hey, I'm actually not that far behind you.
Good, good. I'm impressed.
Hop off.
I'm just still laughing at that one video where I literally was done and you still were on contour or like foundation or something.
Yeah, you were like doing your mascara and I had just started doing my eyeshadow. Okay, now I'm going into a highlight, which was the same one that I always use, which is the Ofra Madison Miller in Moon Dance.
Oh yeah, sometimes I'll throw a little highlight in there if I want to pop a little extra, but I normally don't. Because that requires a lot of effort to actually pull my highlight out.
I just kind of put a highlight everywhere because you can't go wrong with too much highlight. Actually, yes,
You definitely
can.
could.
But you know, whatever happens, happens, you know?
I put mascara on my bottom lashes, and I don't know if a lot of people do that
It
anymore,
depends.
but
Some people do and some people don't. I think it's just kind of like a preference thing.
yeah.
And also what your eyes look like, because some people's eyes don't
look good with bottom
good
mascara.
with it.
Yeah. Why am I so weird?
Will be.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, baby. And normally I have tweezers to separate the clumps, but I didn't bring them, so.
I have some on my bathroom counter.
Because I'm really, wait.
When I do my eyebrows, I don't do them as defined as what I normally do. I just give my tail a little bit more definition because the hair's like not there.
Boom. I'm done. Wait.
Yeah, so after I do my eyebrows with my normal stuff that I always use, I'll go in with this is a sample version, but it's the Gimme Brow by Benefit, and I kind of use it more as a brow gel, because the other brow gel that I use it almost more like a pomade than anything. So this kind of,
I never do it. I should get a gel so I'm not
makes it stick a little bit better. All right, eyebrows done.
So I don't have my chapstick, so this is what we're doing.
So then for my eyeshadow, I really just go back with my bronzer and I just get a little bit and just pop it in there in the crease, just so it's not, there's a little bit of something there.
I normally have like a lip glossy chapstick, but I forgot mine, so I'm actually have lip gloss on right now.
And then I go into my Naked Cosmetics Desert Sunset. It's a loose sparkle. And what I do is I get a little tiny pencil and I barely dab it in because it's scary. Now I'm just curling my eyelashes. We're using the Benefit Roller Lash, which is another sample that I got.
Don't tear me apart.
Okay, so what I use as my lipstick is literally Burt's Bees, and it's a lip shimmer in watermelon. And it just kind of adds a little bit of color, but it's also a chapstick, so it feels better, and it also kind of tingles.
Dude, my lips are tingling right now. My lip gloss is called Sexy Mother Pucker.
Oh, I think I've used that before.
And they vibing right now. That's the first.
Outro?
Yeah?
Do you want to do it?
Not really.
Okay. Okay, first of all, if anybody else has noticed, I always do the intro and the outro. I try to make Jenna do it, and she refuses, so that's why I always end up doing it.
I'm not good at scripted things, okay?
So, don't hate on me. I'm not trying to steal her light. She just doesn't want it.
I don't want it. I don't want it.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all learned something. Maybe laughed at us because we're idiots. Like this video, subscribe, share with your friends, and click on a video that we've done in the past to check out the next one. And we will see you guys next week.
Bye.